You may have heard people say you need thousands of dollars to start investing. But what if I told you that you can begin investing with just $100? Yes, you heard that right. You do not need a huge bankroll to start building your wealth. In fact, starting with just $100 can be the first step toward financial freedom. Today, I will share 7 ways you can start investing with as little as $100. Let us dive in. The first way is investing in fractional shares. Many people think they cannot invest in expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla because the price per share is too high. But with fractional shares, you can invest as little as $1 in these stocks. Some brokers allow you to buy a piece of a share, meaning you can own a fraction of these companies with just $100. This is a great way to start building a diversified portfolio without spending a lot of money. Next, we have index funds or exchange-traded funds. Index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are great investment options because they allow you to invest in a wide range of stocks with just a small amount of money. For example, you can invest in an S&P 500 index fund, which includes shares from 500 of the largest U.S. companies. Many platforms allow you to invest in these funds for as little as $100, giving you exposure to the overall market without having to pick individual stocks. Third on the list is robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are automated investment platforms that help you invest without needing to be an expert. They use algorithms to create a portfolio based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Some robo-advisors, like Betterment or Wealthfront, allow you to start investing with as little as $100. This is a simple and low-cost way to start building wealth, especially if you are new to investing. Fourth, let us talk about real estate crowdfunding. Real estate can seem like a luxury investment, but with real estate crowdfunding, you can get started with just a small amount. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $100. You can earn returns from rental income and property appreciation, just like large real estate investors. This is an excellent option if you want to diversify your portfolio and explore the world of real estate. The fifth option is peer-to-peer lending. This is where you can lend your money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to start with just $100. By spreading your investment across multiple loans, you can manage risk while earning higher returns than you would from a savings account. Just be sure to do your research and understand the risks involved. Next, consider high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs. While these are not technically investments in the traditional sense, they are a safe place to grow your money. Many online banks offer high-yield savings accounts with better interest rates than traditional banks. With a CD, you can lock your money in for a set period and earn a guaranteed interest rate. This is a low-risk option for those who want to protect their $100 while still earning some returns. Finally, let us not forget about investing in yourself. With just $100, you can take an online course, buy a book, or attend a workshop that can help you improve your skills and knowledge. Whether it is learning about investing, starting a side hustle, or improving your career, investing in yourself is one of the best ways to grow your wealth in the long run. This may not be an immediate return, but the benefits can last a lifetime. There you have it. 7 ways to start investing with just $100. The key is to get started. It is not about how much you start with, but about creating the habit of investing. Over time, those small investments can grow into something much larger. If you found this video helpful and are ready to take control of your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I will be sharing more tips on how to grow your money and invest wisely. Thanks for watching, and remember, every big journey starts with a small step.